Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a restore point in Windows 11 step by step. A restore point lets you restore your computer to an earlier working state if something goes wrong. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and search for Create a Restore Point. Next, open Create a Restore Point from the search results. In the System Protection tab, select your C drive. If protection is turned off, click Configure, select Turn on System Protection, and then click OK. Next, click Create. Enter a name for your restore point. Then click Create again. Wait a few moments while Windows creates the restore point. Once the process is complete, click Close. Your restore point has now been created successfully. And that's it. You've successfully created a restore point in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.